So this next question is looking at percentage atom economy. Carbon is used to extract tin from tin oxide, and here we have the reaction. Tin oxide is reacted with carbon to form tin and carbon dioxide. So tin is our useful product that we're trying to make. Carbon dioxide is considered a waste. Now we have to calculate the percentage atom economy for the extraction of tin, which is this reaction here. Percentage atom economy is a measure of how efficient this reaction is at making tin. How much of these reactants goes into making our useful product. Okay, and the way that we work out that is to consider the relative atomic masses of the chemicals that we're concerned with and calculate it that way. So the first step in these questions is to work out the relative mass of the reactants. So our reactants are tin oxide and carbon. So tin oxide we can break down into tin, which has a relative mass of 119, and 2 lots of oxygen. Each oxygen has a relative mass of 16. 2 times 16 is 32. Okay, so that's the relative mass of tin oxide. And carbon has a relative mass of 12. So if we're going to add those all up, we get 163. Okay, the second step is to look at the products. So the relative mass of the useful product, I should say, which is tin. Tin has a relative atomic mass of 119. Okay, so we need to work out the percentage of 119 in 163, and that will give us a percentage atom economy. So step 3 is to do that calculation. So we're taking the relative mass of the useful product, which is 119, dividing it by the relative mass of all those reactants, timesing that by 100 to give us a percentage, and that comes out as 73. So the percentage atom economy for this reaction to make tin from these reactants is 73%.